improving test construction. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so for the second part of my talk, I'll be talking about how we will. Okay, thank you very much for those who are participating. So, how we will improve test construction in a multiple choice test. So, technically, ang focus ko is more on in the paper and test. And the type of examination is multiple choice. How we will improve are multiple choice. Kasi minsan, mismo sa exam natin, kaya mababa yung score ng students is because we have a problem in kindly mute your sorry. Okay, thank you very much. So sometimes when we are giving multiple choice exam, yung multiple choice mismo is nakakalito, kaya bumababa yung score. The student knows the answer, but the delivery of the question confused the student. Okay. So what are the stages ba of preparing an assessment? Okay, so we have here an assessment instrument. So we have here 4 stages, but I'll be talking about only the 2. So first is the planning stage and the test construction. So how do we plan an exam? Any idea from the group? How do we plan an exam? What do you think? Ano kayong ginagawa pag first stage? I think everyone is doing exams or preparing examination. We're drafting a lot of exam. Pero ano kaya ang first part or first stage? Any type? What do you think is comprising the first stage? Okay, very good. Ayan. So the teachers really knows the answer. Ayan, ang mahiwagang TOS or Table of Specifications. Very good. So the first part is we need to have the Table of Specifications. Let's now continue. Okay, so this is technically the first or the first stage or the planning stage. First, we have to specify the objectives and content areas to be measured. We need to make sure that the exam is really, example, you want to assess students with solution. Tapos it's a grade 7, it's grade 7. And based from the learning competencies, wala pang molarity in that grade 7. So it's just percent, let's say percent volume per volume or mass per volume pa lang. Uh, so when you're making the table of specification, or kasi the second part is preparing the table of specification, it must be aligned to the objectives or learning competencies. And the third part is you need to decide the type of the test. So what is the typical form of a table of specification or the mahiwagang TOS? We have here the TOS. So here you can see the objective based from your lesson. And we have this one. So meron tayong remember, understand, apply, and analyze. And we have here the number of items per each of the levels of learning. Okay, so let's have a short uh, quiz or test. What do you mean? What this for all about? Itong remember, understand, apply, and analyze. It belongs to what? It belongs to what concept? Ayan, very good. So we have the Bloom's taxonomy.